Hi everyone. So today we will learn about the methods of analysis DC circuits in chapter 2B, which is mesh. The aim is to explain the mesh analysis technique in solving problems related to electric circuit, and the expected outcome. You should be able to identify the loop for circuit, identify the supermesh in the circuits, determine the equations of Ohm's law, and lastly to determine the KVL equation for each loop for solving the electric circuit problem. This chapter will cover the mesh analysis itself, and then the mesh analysis with current source, which is a supernode, and then lastly the nodal versus mesh analysis. Mesh analysis assigns unknown mesh currents to all the meshes in the circuits, finds the unknown mesh currents by performing KVL around the meshes. What is KVL? KVL is the Kirchhoff voltage law, which is a summation of voltage in closed loop equal to 0. We can find any branch current passing through any elements in the circuit after finding the unknown current. So this is an example of the circuit. So from this slide, you have to identify the difference in between the mesh current and branch currents. As you can see, the red color arrow here and the green color arrow is shown in the slide. The red color is the branch currents, which is, as you can see in here. So this is the branch currents. It means that for each branch, it consists of their own currents. This is some example of the branch current. As for the mesh currents is the green color, which is shown in the circuit here. So this is, we call it as the mesh currents. What is the meanings of this? Branches forming the outermost boundaries of the circuit will have its branch currents the same as its mesh current. It means that the outermost boundary is here, and then also here. You can see that the mesh currents is flowing, looping like this one, and also similar like this one. And you can see that for the branch currents is flowing similarly as the mesh current. Same as the left loop, which is, this is the branch currents, and you can see that the green color is flowing same as the branch currents.